Hey, good morning, folks. AJ here. This is the part 2 to the Unifi Floodlight. We are here at Bethlehem Baptist Church. I'm up here in the attic, and we're going to make some runs for the floodlights so that they are kind of in a line and kind of give some space. I really don't have to go very far. Well, that's the farthest one over there, but the idea is I'm going to measure off where we are over here, get the same height, and then I'm going to drill one that's closest to the switch that we put over here, run the cable there, see how that works, and then align it out here, and then we'll do the same thing. And the good thing is the old floodlights, which we are not touching, we're going to kind of base that off of the height that we're going to need. So like right here, I don't know if I don't have my light with me. Hold on. So right there, that's one of the lights right there. So I don't need to go that high. If anything, I'm probably going to go down to the bottom right there, because I don't want to go up super high. But if we needed to, we can base it off that same height level. And again, this is in the center. So we're in the center of the church, as you can see, in the building. So that's where that is. So we don't need to do it right there. What I'm probably going to do is I might just do the same height and then just measure off from the corner there to get where I need to, punch a hole through, do the same thing on the other side, and then that will be it. I'm trying to give myself some light so you can see me. This should not take that long because, like I said, I just got to screw these into the wall. The harder thing is actually just going to get the ladder up so that we can do everything that we need to do. So I think I'm going to align this with those. The rafters right there, right where the roof is starting to go in the angle, because that's easy to measure off in that same distance. So let me get my drill, and then we will make a hole and then terminate some cables, and then that's about it. Alrighty, let's get over here. And again, like I said, I do not have to get super high with this. This is aligning myself to make sure I'm where I need to be. So we're right here. I'm gonna drill through right here on the floor and get all the way through. Let's try a different bit. Alright, that's one. And let's do the other one. Oh, over here. That's the center, so it needs to be the lines right here. Alrighty, let's run some cables. Hopefully I got a long enough cable, and then mount these, and that's it. Alright, so we got both of them installed. And what I decided to do as a test, because I don't need to get inside to fix this or to change this one I left the clear cover on. This one I have the opaque one on. So if it doesn't give the light that they want, I can always switch it out, and all I need to do is let Pastor Coleman know. I don't need to get inside. I just come in here, pop that off, either one, and slide the new one on. So I'll keep both of them with me. But that's about it. So what I'm gonna do now, because somebody wanted to comment that, oh my gosh, you're testing this with your mouse pad. Anyway, I'm a cut over when it's late tonight, and I'll turn these on, and I have a camera back here, so we'll be able to see how it lights up. So let me let Pastor Coleman know, and then for y'all, we're gonna cut ahead about maybe like 8 hours, so you can see how this looks at night. Alrighty, folks. So it's it's actually early in the morning, but we can still look over at the cameras because it's still dark enough to actually see outside. So let's go look at it now. So here is the back, and we're in night vision. So and you can see I've linked the floodlights actually to this camera. So I can press this button and we can turn them both on. But what I want to do first is let's turn off the night vision for right now. And I want to see how much this is lit up. Let's turn this to custom. We'll set this to always off. Hopefully. All right, so there you go. So now it's completely off. So now let's go ahead and turn on the floodlights. And again, remember the one that's closest to the parking lot is the one with the clear one on. So let's go ahead and turn number 2 on. And you see how much that's lit up. Now that is max brightness, so we can see all the way out to the field right now. Now, unfortunately, the other one, I don't have another camera looking in the other angle, but let's turn on number 1. This is the one with the kind of like opaque type of cover. So really not that much of a difference, as you can see, a lot closer there. Let's turn on both of them. And honestly, that you can see just a little bit of difference in the color from right there. Go full screen here. Like I said, it really does do a good job lighting that up. So the first one, obviously right past the headstone, doesn't give that much light. So, I mean, it's just a good coverage from a standpoint. Honestly, I'm thinking that maybe the white covers would be good. And to be quite honest, it's around like 5:30 in the morning. I might go over there and just put it on there and just get it over with. I wouldn't want people to mess with me because it's like, why you got a ladder at 5 o'clock in the morning behind that church? But I hope that helps you. We can look at some of the activity there if need be. So it just kicked off from people leaving from church there. And I don't think I have any other events turned on. So nobody was really walking into the back. But, oh well. Anyway, I hope that helped give you a better perspective. I know some people were talking about like, why did I do this with the lights off here in the office and I'm just looking at my mouse pad? Because it wasn't dark. We're just giving an example, but I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. And like I said, I probably will go over and then just put the, I mean, it wasn't that noticeable. I might just actually put the opaque one on and just keep both of them and just see how they go with it. And I do like them. The only issue was like I got mine from Amazon and it was like $40 more than what it cost. If you get them directly from Ubiquity, they're only $99, but they're the only ones that were carrying it outside of Amazon. But I hope that helps. This is part 2 of the Unifi Floodlight. Let me know if you have any other questions down below, and that's about it. So if you like the type of content, appreciate a like, consider subscribing, hit that bell, the way you get notified when we come out with other videos to help modernize your media ministry. Thanks for watching, folks. This is AJ. Catch you on the next video. Later.